Hey traders, Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today's date is October 20th, 2025, and we are on the last, I can say, half hour now of the market on this Monday. I want to talk about a chart coming up here in a few minutes that I ended up taking a 16% loss on it. Not every day, can you win. Some days you get a loss. So we'll talk about that chart. And then we'll talk about another chart that we're doing pretty well on. Anyway, let's start with the market here. SPY, we're moving up excellent, I think, in my opinion, just absolutely wonderful. We still need to get through those tops right through there. And once we do, I'm looking at us to move right up into that 680 mark. And then after that, move up into the 685 mark. Of course, there'll be a little ups and downs with price action. But that's what I'm looking for. Bulls are maintaining their power, kind of that climbing that wall of worry there. Let's take a look at the VIX real quick. There we go. We are really coming down now. That fear that was in the market last week is coming off a little bit, so that's going to help the bulls move a little higher. If we take a look at the Qs, the Qs are doing wonderful, testing that top right now, looking for that to break out and move higher. Take a look at IWM. Man, that's doing pretty good too. In fact, we have somebody in the trading room that I think is buying some IWM calls here. So far, a very nice chart. Let me do this. If we go from this low to the high, to the higher low, and then this becomes the high, that we need to break out of. And it's working itself up there. It's got very, very nice chart. Check the diamonds out. Now that's just smoking hot right there. We've got a nice little breakout of that downtrend line in there. Nice little breakout, working out great. Price is above the T-line. T-line's above the trendicator. Life is good. I mean, diamonds are rocking. Doing a great job here. Let's see, SMH. SMH is on the bullish side of everything. Transports, IYT, they're moving up. Shazam. The transport, now we still have a little bit of resistance up here to get through. If the transports can pull itself up, then, man, we get both transports and SMH, semiconductors, moving up at the same time. By golly, we could end up having a very nice bull run into some pretty big higher numbers up here on the SPY. So go bulls, go. Let's take a look at Sophie. This is one that I'm in now, and Sophie is moving up pretty well here. I'm still looking for Sophie to move up in the 32 area. We're already positive on it. It still needs to break out right through here at this point of the whole trade, the juncture. I don't see any reason why it can't. There's nothing in the candle signals, the price action that says we're not. So, like I say, I'm going to be looking at this 32, and if we can make it through the 32, then the 50% rebound area up here at 34.35 is a big target for Sophie. So that's looking pretty good. I'm also still owning the Walmart. There we go. I still own Walmart. I picked it up Friday. I sure wish it would have been up today, but it's not. We're just consolidating. So it's just about managing the trade. So I'm still watching that right now and looking pretty good, I think, chart-wise. Price action is just not cooperating today. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Still holding that, though. Okay, I did take a loss today. Bummer. I did take a loss. What was it? CRWV. There we go. CRWV. So what happened Friday is we were talking about Walmart. I believe that was the one. And I had CRWV in the queue. And I just went to the options and I started looking at the options and I just bought the options, thinking I was in Walmart, but I wasn't. I was in CRWV. Now, this is what the candle looked like Friday. And today it's just bled off, bled off, bled off, bled off. Well, right now it looks to me like we're headed to that 50-period moving average. I don't want another 8-9% loss on this, so I went ahead and closed it up for a 16.5% loss. Like I said, you know, I wish I could say that in trading every day is a winner. It's not. I wish I could say that every trade is a winner. It's not, okay? So anyway, those things happen. Hey, look, I meant to say this early on the video. I should make myself cue cards so I remember to do this. If you're not doing anything at 8:30 in the morning Eastern time, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, we have charts and targets pre-market. It lasts 30 minutes, give or take a minute or two. You can log in live. It's free. You can log in to the live restream on it through YouTube, through X, or through our Facebook account, okay? So there's 3 places you can log in. If you need help with those logins, let me know. I'll be glad to help. Also, we have a brand new Discord account, and if anyone would like to join up that, please do so. We have some nice chatter in that, usually after hours. You know, you're sitting around the boob tube talking about some charts and whatnot. That's a good place to do that. And outside of that, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, if it's helpful, if you found some interest in it, leave us a thumbs up, okay? Thanks a lot, everybody. You guys take care. We'll see you tomorrow morning.